Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Lorenzo Protocol or bank wallet address on Binance. As you can see, Lorenzo Protocol or bank just get listed on Binance Spot. And if you want to transfer your bank token from other wallets or airdrop, you have to find the wallet address. So I will show you in this video. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So first, you can open your Binance apps and go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is advanced. You can click it, and then you can choose on-chain deposit, and then in the search box here you can search bank for Lorenzo Protocol and click this one, and you can choose BSC because it's only network, the only network. And yeah, this is your Lorenzo Protocol or bank wallet address on Binance. You can copy it or scan it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.